Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about this and static keyword in Java. When we create object of a class, copy of all the variables and function is created and shared with all the objects of a class. For example, consider class human which has variable like name, age as well as methods like getName and getAge. Each human object will have separate copy of these variables and method. So first object might have name as Barbie and age as 21, while the second object might have name as Ken and age as 22. This keyword is used to access variables and method of a current object. For example, if you have method in the class that prints this.name, then first object will print Barbie and then second object will print Ken. But inside class we can access class variables without using this keyword. So why we need this keyword? Let's consider example of human class which has constructor which takes two parameters. First is a name and second is age. Now name of these two parameters is similar to name of our class variable. So if we use name is equal to name and age is equal to age, then compiler will get confused. Which variable should it refer? Should it refer to the parameters of a constructor or should it refer to the class variable? Here this keyword comes into the picture. This keyword is used to access variables and function of a current class. So we can use this.name is equal to name and this.age is equal to age. So now compiler will understand that left hand side is referring to the class variable and right hand side is referring to the parameters of a function or constructor. So in this way, this keyword is used to refer the variables and function of a current class or object. On other hand, static keyword is used to create variables and method that belongs to class itself rather than to specific object. This means that static variables and method represent common properties which is shared by all the objects. For example, all humans have two legs and we can represent this with the static variable number of legs and static method get number of legs. When objects are created, they do not get their own copies of this static member. Instead of it, all objects share the single copy of these variables and function, and because of this sharing we can save lot of memory, and that's why static keyword is used for memory management. Since static variables and method belong to class and not to individual object, we can access them without creating object of a class simply by using class name. For example, we can access number of legs variable in any class using humans.number of legs, where human is a class name and number of legs is a static variable. Now let's jump to Eclipse and execute program for this and static keyword. To demonstrate this and static keyword, we will use same human class which we discussed in the video. It has two class variable which is name and age and one static variable which is number of legs. Since static variable belongs to class not to object, we can use equal to operator to initialize it outside the constructor. In constructor of a human class, we are passing two parameters which is name and age. Name of these parameters is similar to the name of class variable. So we are using this keyword to differentiate between class variables and parameters of the constructor. Now we will create object of this human class in another demo class. So let's jump to this demo class. Here we can see that we have created object of a human class and named it as a Barbie and passing two parameters to it. First is a name and second is age. Now object of the human class is ready. So we can access the name variable using Barbie.name, where Barbie is name of object, and then printing that name. Since name is a class variable, we need to use object to access it. But number of legs is a static variable, so we can access it using the class name. In our case, name of a class is a human, so we can access using human.number of legs, and in the end we will print it using system.out.println statement. So let's save this class and execute it. To execute, we'll click on this run icon. As you can see in output, it prints that name present in an object is a Barbie and value of a static variable number of legs is 2. So in this way, this keyword is used to access variables and function of a current class, and static keyword is used to create a variable which will be shared among all the objects. That's it for today's video. See you in next video.